So here's how to change Roblox password on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Roblox application and then simply tap on the more option onto the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on that, and then from here you need to scroll it down to the bottom and simply go with the settings. Right after that, you need to go with the account info. Then again, you need to go with this pencil icon beside the password. So simply tap on the pencil icon, and then you can simply see your new password option here. So you can type in the new password as well as the current password. Right after that, you can simply tap on the update and your password will be updated. So that's how you can change Roblox password on mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.